What's going on, everybody? We back with another video. As you can probably tell by the thumbnail, we got some goodies from Amazon for the old OBS. I got some more stuff coming tomorrow for the truck as well. Let me finally found my little tripod thingy, so let me see what we can get this thing opened up. So we got a couple of small things for the outside of the truck that needed to be replaced. So the first one looks like it's going to be the door handles. So we got some new door handles. I think that's going to make a big difference on it. And then the other one. So we got both of the driver door handles, or front door handles, I should say. And the reason for that, let me show you guys real quick. This one over here, as you can tell, it's seen better days. It's broke. Still works just fine, but yeah. So we got both driver door and passenger door door handles. I think those were like 15 bucks on Amazon. We also got some LEDs. Because there's I think maybe four bulbs on the inside of the truck that need to be replaced that aren't LEDs. Everything else is. And then the last little box here, we got, let's see if this box will open. Come on, box. Work with me. This one's going to be, as you can probably tell by this piece here, it's going to be the tailgate handle. I was just gonna paint the old one, but after seeing what the prices were for these things, I'm like, yeah, let's just buy a new one and be done with it. I think that was the same price as the two handles for the front doors. And I got some more stuff coming, which the other package is coming today isn't really gonna make much of a difference. I bought LED kit for the dome lights itself, but I actually seen this kit and I was like, you know what, we'll just buy the kit. I mean, it comes with, it's a 42 piece and I think it's like 15 bucks. I mean, they're not no like crazy expensive LED bulbs, but you know, they'll get the job done. But yeah, that's what we got here. And I'm hoping, I'm gonna see if I can find the LED bulbs that I was gonna use to replace the ones in the gauge cluster. I don't know if I still have them or if I threw them out, because I bought them for this truck and then it started acting the fool. So I don't even know if I still have those. I'll have to look around and see if I can find them. But that's what we're gonna be doing today. And I also found some masking tape, so I might try to mask this off right here, this piece, and then paint the letters in the Chevy or Chevrolet back black. That way everything's matching back here, because I actually spray painted this here. Now this cleans up real nice. Once I put the new handle on there, I mean, all this is going to be complete except for this. So I might try to use some masking tape, mask it off, and then try to spray paint it with some black spray paint. But I don't know yet, because I don't want to get black spray paint on this stuff here, because I don't even know if you can find these pieces anymore. I don't want to try, but yeah, that's where we're at today. Let me show you guys. So the dome lights that I was talking about are going to be this one here, and then the two on the left and right of that, and then those two as well. Everything else is LEDs. Like we got the LEDs under the dash on that side, this side, the doors. Yeah, everything that can be LED, we're gonna get it switched over to LED. But that's what we're gonna be doing today, like I said. And the next thing that I gotta order that I didn't order this time is gonna be the mirrors. Let me show you guys why. Because on this one here, I mean, I spray painted it, but it's still, it doesn't clean up too well. I'm sure if I put some clear coat on it and sand it down, it'd be fine. But I'm not gonna go through the hassle. Like I said, they're only like $46 for two. And you can see this is how it's supposed to look here. This one's a little bit cleaner, still dirty, but yeah, I'm gonna get the two mirrors. That way all that's good. And then I also got to look on there and see if I can get the Silverado stickers that go on the cab itself. See if I can get them in blue, because I did order something for the truck that's blue. That's gonna go on the front. As you can probably tell, in the last video I said I was gonna be taking this plate off. This was the original plate that was on the truck when it was bought brand new. I'm gonna keep it. But I got another one that I'm going to put on here that I ordered off Amazon. It's blue as well. It's going to match the truck. I think it's going to match. It's blue. I don't know if it's the same blue as the truck, but we'll know more when it gets here tomorrow. So there'll be another video that I'll be making tomorrow on this thing. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. I'm not going to bore you guys with taking this stuff apart and then putting it back together. So I'll just show you what it looks like now and then basically before and after. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to get everything put on. And like I said, once I get everything put back together, I'll pick the video up and show you guys how it looks. Oh yeah, and another thing that I did over the weekend, as you can tell, I sanded my wiper arms down and painted those black. I took this plastic piece off here and cleaned that out because underneath here is like just an area that'll collect water and then it'll run out. It's got like drip drain lines or something that'll run down on both sides of the fenders. Cleaned all this stuff out underneath this, so it's nice and clean. Yeah, man. And I don't know, what do you guys think? Should we get a stubby antenna for this thing or should we leave the factory one on there? Let me know in the comments. I think it makes it look like an old school truck with the big antenna, but I don't know, I might get a shorter one, not a complete like stubby, but like maybe a 12-inch one, maybe that'll come up to like right here. But yeah, I'm gonna pause the video now, get the stuff, take it apart, get the new stuff on, and then I'll pick the video back up once I get everything together. All right, everybody, everything is done, it's ready to go. We'll start back here at the back first. So in the back, I did order a new door handle, well, tailgate handle. I didn't reuse it, or I didn't use it. I used the old one, just spray painted it black. And then I used the new gasket, I guess you would call it, or trim piece that goes around it. Because the new handle, it was plastic. And, you know, if anybody knows about a tailgate, when you come back here and lift on it, you're going to put some tension to it. So I didn't want to use the plastic handle. So I just stuck with the old one, sanded it down a little bit, spray painted it. Check out the Chevy. It's nice and black. Now, it's not faded. That was another thing I did. Got the door handles on. Now the driver's side is no longer cracked. Fits like a glove. And if any of you guys do order these door handles, I would definitely recommend using the old gasket, or I don't know what you'd call it, trim piece that goes around the handle. Reuse your old one off the old door handles if they're OEM. Because the new one is not going to fit like it's supposed to unless you get a GM brand. These are off Amazon. They're, you know, $16 for two, so they're not like super expensive handles. But I mean, it works like it's supposed to. We got our bulbs in the gauge cluster. They kind of look blue. They're not blue, they're supposed to be pure white, but ordered some more because I need the smaller bulbs for the smaller indicator lights. We did get our LED in the dome light. All our other LEDs are working like they should too as well. But yeah, let me step over here to the passenger side and show you guys exactly what I mean by the door handle not fitting like it's supposed to with the new trim piece. I adjusted this thing 10 times and it will not sit flat in there for nothing. I wish I'd have did this one like I did the other one, but you live and you learn. So that's my lesson to you guys. Reuse your old trim piece that goes around the handle if they are OEM handles that are you taking off. Because the new ones, they do not fit like they're supposed to at all. But for the price, you really can't beat it. But they work like they're supposed to. And if any of you guys are looking for LEDs, I definitely recommend buying this. Let me tell you, if I'd have bought this before I started messing with trucks, I probably still would have had light bulbs left over, just considering how many's in here. You get 42, and for 14 bucks, 15 bucks, you can't really beat it. I mean, that's like 25 cents an LED. Which I know it doesn't cost much to make them, but still, you know, you can't really beat it. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Like I said, I got more stuff coming tomorrow. We will be having another video. This one will probably go out Sunday, and then the one I filmed tomorrow will probably go out Monday. But yeah, it's gonna be something pertaining to the rear of the truck. And then, like I said, I got a new license plate for the front. But yeah, man, this thing is coming together real nice. Let me get a front view of this thing. Still need to order a third brake light too. Haven't gotten around to do that. But she's coming together real nice. Like I said, I still got to get a grill, need to get rear view mirrors. But other than that, I mean, other than getting spacers and different tires, it is ready to go. I still want to do a transmission flush. Because like I said, I don't know how many miles the transmission had on it, if it was rebuilt or not. But typically, I mean, if it's got over 200,000 miles, I mean, I would definitely recommend doing it. Unless the oil is bad. If you pull your dipstick out and the oil looks burnt, don't even touch it, because more likely if you change your oil and your filter, the thing's gonna go to slipping on you. But if your fluid looks good, I mean, I don't think there'd be an issue if you wanted to change the fluid in the filter. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment. Let me know how it's turning out. I think it's looking really good. I need to get a motor for this Suburban, man. I hate seeing it sitting here, just considering how clean it is. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.